Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
I have this Times Square-ish looking corner, which the bus just went by. Kind of a nice little space. And then let's just kind of follow this up. So we are going to walk down Sanalo. So now we're coming into that space that we were just in a little while ago, and you can see Hotel Central in the background as well. That looks good. It looks good. The hat. It looks good. Looks good. Good shirt. Good hat. Looks good. So this one's called Hotel Central. So yep, this is Sanalo Square. This is right in the middle of it. And I don't think I film very often at night, but I'm going to walk down this busy street down that way. And we're going to start down that way, which is where I started the camera, over there. I'm just going to walk straight down and give you an idea of the Sanalo Street at nighttime, so you can get a context of it. So stay tuned for that. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. Okay, so we're at the other end of one end of the street, and before we even start down our street, we'll just give you an idea where we are. And it's nighttime. It's about 8:30 in the evening, probably. This is Avenida de Praia Grande. Kind of have this Times Square-ish looking corner, which the bus just went by. Kind of a nice little space. And then let's just kind of follow this up. So we are going to walk down Malo, Almeida, Ribeiro at nighttime. And this goes all the way down to Pont 16, which might take some time. So I think I'm just going to do about 10 or 12 minutes in. We'll go through Sanalo Square, which is where we were just at before the introduction. And we'll go down a little bit further down these covered, you'll see those as well. And we're gonna have lots of lights the whole time as well. So that's one of my reasons to film at nighttime, just to give you an idea. Some gold to the right there. Okay. So over there we got Jollibee, we got Pizza Hut, and we got the post office coming up to the right as well. And you got some stairs that go up to a place called Cathedral. So there's a cafe up there. Sometimes you can see some people at the base of the stairs, but I don't see any at the moment. So right now we're walking by the post office. And in a moment we're going to get right into Sanalo Square. Got some black and white tiles with some... Hello, how are you guys?
I'm fine.
So now we're coming into that space that we were just in a little while ago, and you can see Hotel Central in the background as well. So they just restored or got the Hotel Central set up a little while ago. We're gonna walk by it in a moment. Got some music in the background. I don't know if that's I think it's somebody with a stereo playing the Scorpions, I believe. That goes towards St. Dominic's and Sao Paulo ruins. We're gonna keep on walking down this way, follow our street. And it's actually a holiday today, so you're gonna have a lot of people walking around today. And we're gonna go underneath this kind of covered space. And this road has, I don't know what you'd call that. I call them rain guards. But you're gonna have this all the way down to the end of the street now, combined with the black and white tiles. You got some side streets down here as well. I'm a little concerned because when I take the camera at nighttime, it shakes. So we're just gonna try to hold it straight ahead. We also got some flickering, but I'll walk past that as well. Those side streets, and that's the hotel right there. That's a Hotel Central. And we got a guard right there as well. That looks cool. So that's the one that we could see from a distance. Hello. Hotel Central. That looks good. It looks good. The hat. It looks good. Looks good. Good shirt. Good hat. Looks good. So this one's called Hotel Central. We got those beautiful balconies as well. So we'll keep on moving on. I think I threw him off because I'm speaking in English. If they're locals, they'll understand English, but if he might be from the mainland working as a front desk. I don't know, I'm not really sure. Oh, just speculating, I'm not really sure. Okay, so now we're gonna get a good view of our street all the way down at nighttime. And then you got Mercadori Street, which is this one. We're gonna go across. We'll keep on going. So you can see that hotel. So we're gonna come over here and then take a look at the hotel in a moment. So there we go. Hopefully that looks kind of cool at nighttime. And that's Mercadori Street. Sanalo Street. That is also Mercadori's over there as well. It goes across the street, so I think historically it would have been connected. And we're gonna keep on walking down. Some of our black and white tiles. So yeah, this is it's basically a holiday, so it's kind of acts like a Sunday night in a way. And we got a lot of people around. Let's see. We're about 7 minutes in. I don't think I'm going to go much longer, but you do get an idea of what it's like. I do want to capture another thing before I turn the camera off. There's these little things in the street, which I'm going to try to catch as soon as I get a chance. Huh. This used to be at a different location. I just moved to that location. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pop around like this. And that's where we would go all the way down. But I'm going to just have these little things in the middle of the street. These little stars that looks like they're all gone now. I was actually looking for those. But they're gone. And I think what I'm going to do is just going to end the video. But that's Malo, Almeida, Ribeiro at nighttime. We'll end it right there. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.
Toma cuidado la boquinha.